What's the first step in solving by substitution? You are trying to substitute a value of one of the variables into the other equation. Do you have a variable isolated right now?
Yes.
This is equation 1 and this is equation 2.
No.
Are any of your variables isolated?
No.
So what's the first step? Isolate x or y in either of the equations. Well, look at the two equations. Which equation should I pick to isolate a variable? Equation 1 or equation 2?
Equation 1.
Yeah, why?
Because the y is.
It's way easier to isolate. Y does not have a coefficient other than 1. So I'll do the first step with you. 3x plus y equals 7. Y is equal to what? What's the opposite of plus 3x? Okay, so this is what y is equal to. You're going to take that and you're going to plug it into the second equation and you're going to solve for x. It's 5x plus 2 times y. So I'm going to write 5x plus 2. This is y. 7 minus 3x equals 13. Simplify. Distributive property, 5x plus, let's multiply this. What's 2 times 7? 14. 2 times negative 3x. Negative 6x equals 13. Combine your like terms. 5x and negative 6x. What's 5 take away 6? That would be equal to 13 minus 14. What's 5 take away 6? Negative 1x. 13 take away 14, negative 1, divide both sides by negative 1, x equals 1. Pick an equation, plug it in, and solve for y. I'm going to pick this equation. 3x plus y equals 7. Well, if x is 1, 3 times 1 plus y equals 7. 3 plus y equals 7. Y equals 7 minus 3. Y equals 4. Therefore, the point of intersection is 1, 4.